you can already tell from the video title up above, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial. And not just any tutorial. It's going to be a how I customize apps tutorial. I'm super excited to show you guys. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, like I said before, I will be showing you how to customize apps like the ones that you see on the screen right now. Just so I can better explain to you guys, I will be using these apps as examples. First thing you do is click on your Safari or Google. Next, what you're going to do is type in whatever app that you're trying to do the icon for, and then type cute icon. Then search. Soon it will come with loads and loads of different icon pictures. When you find the one that you finally want, there's so many cute ones, you click on it, and then you long press on it and press add to photos. Then you just keep on doing the same step, repeating it over and over again until you have found all of your cute icons. I will just be forwarding these following steps. I always like to go back in my camera roll and double check to see if I have all my icons. Next, click on the Shortcuts app. When you get in, press the plus button on the top right. Look all the way on the bottom and find the search bar below. Type in Open App. Click on Open App. Soon you will come to a page that looks like this. Where it says scripting, press choose. Over here on this page, you're going to scroll for the app that you're trying to change into a new icon. When you find the app, click on it. Now please click on the three dots in the right hand corner where it's asking for a shortcut name. You don't really have to put anything because it really won't count later. Now press add to home screen. Where it says new shortcut, just change it into the new app that you're trying to turn it into. For example, I'm doing Instagram. As you can see, I did a space between each word. I did that just because I think it looks aesthetically pleasing, but you do you. When you finish typing in your icon name, press choose photos, go into your photos and find the photo you want to use for your icons. Then press add to home screen and it will be added to your home screen. And that is how you customize your apps into cute icons. is me just repeating the same steps over and over again, customizing the apps. Finished customizing all the apps, and as you can see, the original apps are still there, and that's a disadvantage with this customizing apps, but usually you can just hide them in a folder and display the already customized apps. And there you go! Yay! This is the finishing product. I'm so happy with it, and I really hope that I was able to explain it well for you so you can too. I think it really brings, you know, a phone to life. As you can see, you can enter into the app and everything just alright. It does just glitch a little bit, but hopefully it doesn't bother you too much. I know it doesn't bother me. Hey guys, I just wanted to come in here real quick and tell you thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave it a like down below, and if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. And remember that I love you, but God loves you even more. Bye!